Guys, it's Ari here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make butter slime. 2-ingredient butter slime. Things you'll need will be any brand of conditioner and flour or cornstarch. So let's get to this. Oh, and a bowl and something to mix with. First step is to pour your conditioner into your mixing bowl. I like to give it a tiny bit of a stir before I add in the flour, and it looks like that. Now, get your flour out and put in 1 tablespoon at a time and mix. As you can see, my conditioner is getting thicker. I'm going to fix my camera. Yep, that's better. I'm just stirring that in. You don't have to, but I want to, so I'm going to add in 1 drop at a time of yellow food coloring. And I'm just going to keep adding in food coloring. 1 drop of food coloring until I have my desired color, and 1 drop was even too much. So I'm just going to keep it at 1 drop. And I'm going to add another tablespoon. So it's just getting thicker and thicker, and I will be back when it's time to knead. Okay guys, I've been stirring and stirring, and now it has finally come together. So now, oh, and if my voice is too low for you, just turn up your volume as high as you can. And yeah, and I'm just gonna keep on, and now I'm just gonna knead. I thought 1 drop was gonna be enough, but I guess I need to add 1 more drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Where'd the drop go? Oh, there it is. The thing I love about getting yellow food coloring on your hands is that you can't even see it. I'm sorry. Don't mind that background noise. My parents are just watching a movie. I'm just gonna keep kneading, and now it's ready. There we go. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna knife out. Yep, that's a knife that everyone uses. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut pieces. Oh, sorry. And now I'm just gonna cut and just keep on cutting pieces. And if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a house tour in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Cheese. I said cheese just so you guys know. I said cheese because I know it is. Okay, now we're gonna cut piece off and spread. Yep. Now, as you guys, sorry about that. As you guys can see, it has that grainy texture of butter. I see all these like butter slime videos, and it doesn't have the grainy texture. I'm like, that is not butter slime. Butter slime has a grainy texture. It's like just pulling up regular slime and be like, oh, there's my butter slime. He's like, no, that's not butter slime. Yeah. I'm gonna make more of this and I'll be back. Alright, so I just made more. And I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Turn up your volume. Thank you so much for watching and bye.